Hello everyone, Ryan from Huckabye again, and today we're going to be talking about a specific type of rich results called review snippets. And review snippets are an enhancement that you see on Google search that are actually the 5-star gold rating there. Review snippets can be shown on a multitude of things. Most likely you think of review snippets on a specific product, but keep in mind they can be applied to a certain number of things. So, say like a book. Let's do a Harry Potter book. There we go. And you'll notice that those are in the product portion of it, but at the same time, you've got the rating on the book itself from Barnes and Noble. Now, for a full list of review snippets and markup, you can go to our support article under review snippets in the rich results section on support.huckabye.com. And here you'll see there's a lot of items that you can mark up with reviews. Depending on what you want the review to be, there's a whole list there. All you have to do is put that in somewhere in the HTML and somewhere on your website. So as an example, for product markup, usually a product markup will have those reviews right there. You do need the price. E-commerce sites tend to have that built into them. If you have a book or your reseller books or something like that, those have the prices and everything built into those as well. So there's a quick description of review snippets and what you need to have those on your website and for our software to mark them up. Thanks for watching.